Hi and welcome to the bestaphic channel, the best way to learn graphic. I'm Massimo Shariflu, and in episode 28 of the PowerPoint tutorial series, I want to discuss the waterfall chart. I recommend that you follow the tutorial series from episode 1 to fully learn PowerPoint software. The sequence chart is waterfall chart that is a good tool to show the increase or decreases that are connected to each other, and it is a practical chart for business. For example, this chart that you see here can be used for the stock changes, dollar price changes, Bitcoin price changes. To have the waterfall charts from insert chart section, you can select the waterfall option, then click on OK, and let's study this Excel file to see how the waterfall chart works. In the category, you can add different categories, and here each positive number that is added shows the increase, and negative numbers show the decrease. Now here in the first category that it shows 100, it means we had an increase from 1 to 100. When it shows plus 20, it means we had 20 time increases in the category number 2. Also in category number 3, it is plus 50, which means we had 50 times increases. The next part is minus 30, it means it decreased 40 times. Wherever it is positive, we have increase, and whenever it is negative, we have decrease. Thanks for watching this video. Hello, my name is Massimo Shariflu. My specialty is graphic design and designing presentation slides with PowerPoint. If you need an engaging and effective presentation for your business or school project, I'm here to help you. To contact me, you can send a message to the email or WhatsApp or Telegram number mentioned in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and providing the best possible service in designing your presentation. Thanks for your attention.